We are at the harbor. This is not Cyprus city center harbor. You can see this is the harbor. Hello bro, how are you?
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. My name is Oluwajuma. I'm from Ondo State. I'm born and raised in Lagos. Actually, I just want to share what this video is all about. It's all about myself and the ambition I have. I love making videos. And I love traveling. So basically, what this video is all about is about me still want to travel abroad to many countries, make videos, do documentaries of many countries about the whole